The Lamborghini needs to be finished on the front clip, put a banner on, trim everything, make sure it's good to go by the end of the day.
So you can't do anything with the kit on this car?
No, dude, it is completely different.
I literally walked out, I was like, holy oh, jeez. You guys did such a good job.
You know what it is. Thursdays we come in at 10 o'clock, baby. Put in there. This is what we do. vlog day, whatever. 6? What day are we on? 5 or 6? 8? That's how you start day 8. You know, just rolling down our hill on our awesome Viper chairs. Who needs coffee when you got Viper chairs?
Okay, today in the shop, we finished up the Hummer EV PPF full front clip, waiting on the owner to come grab that one. Nissan Maxima, we did some tint and a signature interior. That's done, waiting for the customer to get it. We finished the Flexi Shield SL55, done. We got a Model S that we are removing PPF, fixing the damage, replacing it, just front bumper. We just did dent repair on an 18 Jeep Wrangler, finishing that up. And then we are still working on the Lamborghini Aventador. Probably gonna finish the front clip and PPF today, do the banner, windshield banner, do some PPF checks, maybe some rocker panel PPF if we can. Last but not least, we are still working on the Nissan Z vinyl. It's gonna go in next week. So Ryan finished up the SL55. We did oil slick Flexi Shield. The weather really improved, so now she's gonna come by and take a look at it in person. We're really excited for her.
It looks amazing. I literally walked out, I was like, holy sorry, that's not on camera.
Demonetized.
It's amazing.
Came out good, the install went great. We haven't even seen it out in the sun yet, so.
It literally looks like a brand new car. Like, you're gonna stop and look at my car now, compared to like,
people are
you
gonna
know,
be like, what is that?
Right.
How did you do that?
I'm so glad I did it. Is he gonna pull it out? Yeah. That looks super great right now, right? Oh, jeez. That looks insane. Wow. It's so good. It's so good. Look at how it looks like kind of blue, like a green and then the purple, even from this angle. You guys did such a good job. Oh, it looks green on this side. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet.
What do you think of how quiet it is in here, Albie?
Oh, I love this thing, dude. It's been good. The carbon pieces are almost done. We just got left the main piece, the bottom one, and I'm prepping it right now. Then after we finish that, we're gonna do the small pieces here, the red ones, and also we'll try to cover the space here. So for this car, there's no kits at all. We have to do it all in bulk pieces, and that's why it takes us time to do it and a lot of patience, a lot of cutting, but we are getting it done slowly and surely.
Today we also had a customer bring by a 97 Prowler. We're going to take a look at it and make sure that we can even do PPF on such a car. Never had to work on one before, so this will be a first. Whenever it comes to cars that, let's say 15, 20 years old or more, we like to kind of get our eyes on it because every car is different. Whenever it comes to a classic, it could be something that we can't do, so we always want to get the PPF guys' eyes on it to see if it's a possibility first.
This is just the glue there.
This is glue?
Yeah, we can take it off, clean the glue and replace it.
Or
The same
rather
batch.
try to go around.
I will not.
Okay.
I will take it off, it's easier. It's just a glue, it's the same thing. whole take is off, it will look so much better without it.
With the grill off?
Yeah. No, with the bumpers.
Oh, for sure. But the problem is
You can't drive it then, right?
what if you bump into this?
Oh.
All right, give me a quick update.
Quick update. I mean, all the guys are slaying. See that sweet PT Cruiser over there? Kind of rare. Hard to see those.
It's only 250 miles.
Damn. Damn.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Chill day in the shop. Hopefully we can fill it up. It's one of the hard things about having this ginormous shop. You gotta fill it up, baby.
Ooh, what you got there? What you got there?
What we got here is a Viper chair / optical chair.
Should we do a test between a Viper chair and an old chair?
You wanna do a test? Let's do the rolling test. Where them shitty red chairs at? You wanna go first?
No, at the same time.
At the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Just don't hit that car. It works much better. Come on, Marco, with that shitty chair. Oh. Fuck, it hurt. Try breaking it in half. That is sturdy.
We don't sell these optical Viper chairs, but we do sell optical hats. Check out Marcos.
Say it's a shitty hat. Just let me know that. I'd much rather you. Just let me know what I need to do to make it better so you'll wear it. Let's do an interview. Marco, get in here. Why won't you wear the optical hat that I gave you?
I don't think the optical.
He hates it 100%.
My head doesn't look good in the optical hat. It looks better in the Chicago Auto Pros hat.
So what you're saying is we designed hats that don't fit tall people.
No, I don't know if I have a big head or a small head. What do you think?
Put it on. Let's let the viewers let us know. Maybe you just need a good haircut.
Pow.
That's max tightness.
Max tightness.
Man, that's hard. What do you mean?
That actually looks pretty good. Let's see it backwards. Let's see it backwards. That looks pretty damn good. I don't know what this guy's thinking. Maybe you just need to get this out of the way.
You go back, yeah.
Yeah, slick it back. There we go. This guy's looking handsome. All right, so there you guys have it. If you put on an optical hat, you automatically just look better. Not only do you look better, you feel better. Look at you, standing straight. He just grew about 4 inches. He's looking good. Up there and down there.
So right now I'm prepping it with a panel wipe.
Is that IPA?
No, because panel wipe, it wipes it down. If it's any polish or any residue on the clear coat, it takes it off. So it makes the clear coat super clean. And also the PPF will stick so much better when you use panel wipe.
Ryan was off today, so I went ahead and got Marcos and Oscar to pull off some trim, get some badges off, and get the car ready for vinyl. So when he does show up, it'll be easy for him to start working on it. At the same time, we also had Albie and Chris designing a banner for the Aventador.
It's just letters, Motorsports, something.
BDR.
PDR?
BDR?
No.
Yep. BDR like the I don't know what that is.
You know what a DDR is?
Oh, DDR. No, not DDR. It is BMR.
BMR, Clubhouse? We cannot do this. It's just the letters. The white is just not. Oh, you just want letters, yeah. Not the actually white. No. Alright, just send it at 5 and we'll make it happen. Alright.
Meanwhile, I got to work trying to figure out what we should do for a banner for the Nissan Z.
Wait, do you have a tape measure?
Nope. There's probably one back here though. Detail. It's got a lot of shit, man.
Oh, right there, right there.
Where? Oh, wait, no. Okay, so here's the thing. He already took them off, though.
Oh, shoot. Well, I mean, we can estimate.
Well,
There was 2 here.
yep. And they were what, like 10 inches by like 6 inches? Have we thought about what we're doing on the windshield yet?
Especially the whole windshield.
Are we trying to do this in reflective too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you think they'd be okay with just Chicago Auto Pros across the windshield?
That's what we're doing.
Okay, I love it.
Update.
Finishing up this lip area. Pretty much all the carbon is almost done. It's the last piece. And we're gonna start doing all these lower bumper parts.
So you can't do anything with the kit on this car?
No, dude, everything's completely different.
We have a Jaguar XJ6 in for an enhancement and EXO. I mean, look at the scratches, guys. It is bad, it's in bad condition, but we're gonna get this client right with a 2-step. But it'll be done by the end of the day for sure. You guys are polishing all the chrome as well? Yeah, we can touch up the chrome, polish, get rid of those minor scratches. Let's get to work.
Lamborghini needs to be finished on the front clip, put a banner on, trim everything, make sure it's good to go by the end of the day. Well, probably what we'll do is we'll try to do the banner at the same time then. We'll have Albie do the banner, him still working on the front end. I want to try to get it done in 2 hours. PMR Clubhouse! I would have somebody sit in the car and see kind of where the vision's at. You see like the top of the blue rag?
Oh.
That's where his vision's gonna be.
Oh, what the?
You see what I mean? His vision's like right there.
Right there, yeah.
It's only a little bit over the steering wheel is where my head is at. He's about like right here.
47?
Yeah.
That's it?
47.
I thought that is, oh, because here is wider. No, but that's why we don't want to stretch it. We want to make it like 47 and the width is going to be how much it wants by itself. But then how can I curve it or make it just straight? Just go like here, here to there, and that's it. This windshield is so straight. Like, I mean, it's hard to get like big hit from the rock chips because it will fly. Just do that real quick and move forward. Can you go all the way to the edge right there?
Yep.
So I need to make it like 1.5 inches smaller or 2 inches. All right, stretch it now and lay it down stretched. That's good. And now see where we want to be close to. Just careful. All right, yeah, that's fine. Oh wait, we gotta find the middle point. All right.
There we go.
Perfect, dude. Yeah.
You got it? Yay, yay. I already cheated and looked on the camera.
Why you did that?
Oh, see? That's awesome. Nice job. You too, Chris. I like it.
This one.
I think he's gonna like it.
Oh, look at the spider. And the man. Come check this.
Check this out.
What the heck? Shit. That's a nice one. Oscar! Oh. See, if Ryan was here, he would literally scoop it up and like put it outside nicely. But spiders terrify me, so I'm thinking about killing them. But don't put it on camera, because then Ryan will get mad at me. Get it off! I don't want to kill him, you know what I mean? Oh, look at the spider. Look at his web. Cutting me? I didn't try to hurt him. Ryan be so mad. Dude, that's a 50-50 gap, baby. Enhancement. It's an enhancement, 2-step.
We are done with the enhancement. As you can tell, it came out very nice. Now we're gonna head to the cleaning room and put on EXO. So we give the Jaguar a 2-step correction and then apply coating after. This is a 1-day job, so we knocked it out pretty quickly. And yeah, we gave it to the customer that day.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlogs. Season number 5, this is the end of those vlogs as you know it. We're gonna be doing some more videos, but they're gonna be more of a focus on the car, start to finish of each car, with all the personalities and the style that you still love here. So thanks for watching, we really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, because we got lots more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching.